Welcome to Chicago, the city that gave us the skyscraper, reversed the river, and still dares to reimagine what's possible. Behind me are symbols of that legacy, a locomotive that revolutionized movement, and planes that shrank the world. Symbols that prove progress isn't linear, but exponential. The distance between impossibility and inevitability has always been bridged by those willing to imagine a different future. The world has lived through 3 industrial revolutions, and now we stand fully immersed in the 4th, the most exciting one yet, Industry 4.0.
America has been a bedrock of innovation for centuries, and it has shaped and continues to shape the future. Today's revolution isn't powered by oil or steam. It's powered by data, intelligence, and a concept as old as time itself, adaptability. Adaptability, whether in science, technology, or business, has always been both our greatest challenge and our greatest strength. It's challenging because it demands continuous reinvention. It requires us to question assumptions we've built our foundations upon. It asks us to develop comfort with discomfort. But what does it take to truly adapt and stand the test of time? What separates the companies and people that grow from those that vanish?
We believe that adaptability is the single most important trait in today's enterprise. While IQ and EQ have long been recognized as key indicators of organizational success, there's a third dimension that's just as critical, AQ, the adaptability quotient. AQ reflects an organization's ability to evolve, pivot, grow, and thrive in constant change. But the truth is, adaptability becomes incredibly difficult and costly when your organization runs on systems often built before the internet. These systems have carried your businesses through decades, but they've now become a liability. The time has come for something different.
TurboAQ completely reimagines all aspects of project and program execution. It eliminates practically all the manual processes that are prevalent today. It doesn't just translate or migrate any legacy platforms, it reimagines them and transforms them. It is private, secure, and works with practically any code base, any data platform, and even a legacy screenshot. The outcomes are amazing. Modern applications and ecosystems that delight your customers and your own organization, and they impact a new world that costs less and moves at an incredible speed.
You might be thinking, why now? Well, because of the latest advancements in maturity in large language models, we are finally able to tackle a massive and painful landscape. $2.5 trillion are spent every year just to maintain outdated and unsupported systems. 60 to 80% of IT budgets are wasted on supporting and maintaining. These legacy platforms have many issues. 3 to 4 times longer outage recovery, 42% higher security breach costs, 23% lower customer satisfaction, and in some cases, billion-dollar business risks. We've all seen it and heard about it with the public and private sector. Whether grounding airplanes or preventing you from receiving healthcare, this is a ticking time bomb, and we are finally able to address it in an efficient manner.
TurboAQ flips the paradigm. This goes beyond our own work. This is about empowering teams everywhere to break free from legacy constraints.
This is the promise of TurboAQ. It's here, it's real. It's not just reimagining the past, it's designing the future. This is not a migration, this is rebirth. This is TurboAQ.